On this video, I'm going to show you 3 digital products that you probably never heard of that are probably some of the easiest digital products to produce really quickly. And in fact, I think number 3 is probably my favorite. So stay right to the end so I can explain it thoroughly. Now, the first one is called earrings, PNG earrings. Now, if you look at it, they are exactly what it is. These are earrings, like you can see this one here, the image here, the picture of somebody wearing the earring, and they're literally designed. So people actually, these are sublimations. So people actually love to have custom made designs that they can buy. It's as simple as that. Now, the type of earrings, there are 2 types of popular ones. They're the teardrop type, which is like this one. And there's also the circular type. Now, how it works with these types of digital products is they tend to do well in batches or bundles. When you create a bundle of a type of design, they do fantastically well. So if you are wanting to get into this, even though there are sellers do create these singular, really nice, cool style ones in certain design styles that can work. But I believe if you want to get into this kind of opportunity, you definitely should be looking at bundling. And you can bundle within specific sort of styles or niches. For example, you got these really cool hummingbird style ones. You have floral different style ones. Sometimes you can be specific for people that love books, for example, like these book lover teardrop sublimation designs. Now, they are actually very simple to do. By the way, all you need to do is create a template and put the design into it. These are very scalable and can do very well. As long as you have a number of bundles in different design styles, that is where the magic happens. And guys, if you are interested in selling digital products and you are a newbie to Etsy, do check out my free masterclass. The link is below. And as I said, there are many different types of times and niches to get into. You could do Christmas theme ones, Easter theme ones, floral theme ones, something more specific like dogs style, breeds style, Highland cows. You can do it in a leopard print style. So there's many different styles that you could actually get into, and hence you can create many different bundles of these. So there's a vast amount of opportunity within this digital product that you could get into. Now let's get into the second one to show you. Okay, the next one on my list is called wind spinners. Now, wind spinners are these. These are basically designs that people have that are spinning outside the home on a tree, a little bit like this. You can see that this is a wind spinner that's hung on a tree, and people love these guys. They love these designs that spin in the wind. Really nice, really cool. This is a bestseller. It's actually a design of a butterfly in the middle. And actually, this kind of design is very popular for this type of thing. It's actually very simple to produce. All you need is a template of this wind spinner, and then you literally put the design inside it that you've created through AI, which literally takes seconds. Let's have a look and see how much this is making. Now, this is making $202. It's a 9-month-old listing. And like I said, it's a numbers game. If you got 10 of these, that'll be making around $2,000 per month, which is actually pretty good. So if you're looking for a simple digital product to produce, this could be one which is actually low competition that you can get into quite easily, that can be done really quickly. And guys, if you're interested in knowing what I believe the best digital product to get into, do check out my free masterclass. The link is below. Now, with this one, I would say is you need to have some kind of research SEO to really understand what works. Let me just explain. So I've got Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool. You need something like that. You can try out for free. The link is below. But if I show you on the first page, you can see this is a bestseller. It has a 19.65 conversion, which tells me that people love the butterfly design. It's as simple as that. This one is another one which is converting fantastically well, which is the bee and sunflower combination. Again, it has a conversion of 15.67. Now, this is the data that you need. So if you, whatever digital product you get into, you need data. You need to analyze and see what are the popular designs out there, because this is not guesswork. This is about knowing the numbers, knowing what's actually selling, what people are looking for specific digital products. And this is the key to selling on Etsy profitably, guys, is you need to look at the numbers. So always look at the data, see what's selling and how much they're selling, look at the conversion rates, and you'll be on the right track. Now, this also gives you an idea of the kind of designs that sell in the specific niche. And you can see there's many different types, but there are specific ones that people like. For example, butterflies, bees. They also like birds, but specific birds on top of that, like the cardinal birds. They also like bundles and batches of these. For example, you can see this is a batch of Christmas ones. There are other batches that we can see also here. For example, they do like Highland cows. for example, they tend to do like good numbers within these batches. So you have to do your research with this, but this is a very simple, low competition digital product that you could get into. Okay, this is the third idea. It's actually called digital paper. Now, listen, before I ever got into Etsy, I always thought like people actually buy digital paper. What's that about? But guys, honestly, this is absolutely massive and some of the easiest things that you could produce. Honestly, I mean, this is vintage paper, right? A bundle of vintage paper. And it's also knowing what is working, what's selling, what people like, right? This is that vintage yellowing paper. People like this a lot because they use it for different things, whether it be for a junk journal digital products, which people like that for. So they can use it for many different things, for scrapbooking and that kind of thing. And if I just show you now, this is a bundle of vintage paper making $765, right? That is pretty good. If you've got 10 bundles of digital paper, we're talking over $7,000, guys. So it really isn't that difficult to do. And you can actually produce this really quickly using AI. And I might actually very quickly show you how to produce something like this. But there are many different niches within digital paper, like hundreds of niches. So there is definitely room to expand. There is room to have just a digital paper, digital store, definitely, because there are so many different sub niches that you could get into. And like I said, this is just an example of one that's trending right now, that vintage style that's making over $700. So the money is actually very good and they can be produced really quickly. So let me show you quickly how you can produce maybe some kind of vintage paper, something like this. So let's get onto this. Okay, guys, I'm on Kittle, my go-to design platform. Absolutely fantastic. I can use it for many different things to create these designs using prompts, using AI models like, ChatGPT, like Nano Banana, which is really great right now, which can produce a design in 15 seconds. Do check out the link below. I do have 25% off all the plans, but you can try it out for free. I'm just going to do something quickly. Create a vintage style yellowing paper in an oldie style, sort of emphasizing it. Now, you know what? I can also produce a prompt, a fantastic one using ChatGPT, but I'm just going to do this really quickly for you guys just to see. Make sure it has writing on there with tea stains. Also, I can expand on it, but I'm just going to keep it there. There's a lot more I can do, but I just want to show you the quality, really. That's really the main thing. I want to use the Nano Banana style, the model, right? The AI model, design model. There's so many here. You can see them here. See Dream, ChatGPT. You can see Flux, Ideogram. And this is the beauty about using Kittle, is because you can also edit it and it's really fantastic. So, and also when you download it, optimized, really nice quality and ready to sell. So go to generate. Let me just reduce. I've done it quite big. Like I said, this is 15 seconds. It's generating really quickly. And I haven't really created a massive prompt. Also, make sure paper is flat with a white background. So sometimes you do have to tweak it. And like I said, to be honest, I would tend to usually go to ChatGPT to create a really fantastic prompt that relates exactly to this. But this, I'm just showing you, I'm just demoing really how it can do this. I have to tweak it slightly because that wasn't exactly, look more like a scroll that's rolled up. I want it more flat, closer to the kind of digital paper style that we saw just now. So imagine this is really quickly. Make sure writing is ineligible, right? Ineligible, like you can't read it. Okay, let's see. There are also two other ways, really good ways you can actually do this. Ineligible and make sure it is in A4 format. Like I said, sometimes you have to just keep adding, changing the prompt. That's quite normal, quite natural, especially when you're doing it ad hoc like I am, straight off the cuff, just for you, just to sort of demo this. But hopefully we're almost there. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let me remove the background. Sorry, I've got a background on it. Let me just remove that. Go to remove background. And then it just gives me that I can put on the artboard. Obviously, that is very similar to the kind of thing that I want. So just give you an idea of the kind of thing that you could produce. Obviously, I can make sure that the writing is faded, is not clear. Now, obviously, this is just one page, let's say, that's created. You'd have to create a bundle of these, quite a lot of these. But you can see the speed, even when you're starting from scratch with a prompt, where you don't even just me writing in front of you, how quickly it can be done. And creating a bundle, honestly, once you start going, you can also use your design and create a flow using Kittle. So from this design, you can maintain the style, but you can change it slightly, which is great with Kittle. So it maintains the sort of theme of the design that you just created, and then you can just change and have variations of it. This is the beauty about Kittle. And I do have videos on my playlist for Kittle, so you can see exactly how this is done. But guys, I'm going to leave it there. So do check out my free masterclass if you're interested in selling digital products and you are a beginner. And also, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.